Meaning of liquid crystal display.
Liquid crystal display.
Liquid crystal display.
Liquid crystal display.
Liquid crystal display. Liquid crystal display, commonly known as LCD, is a type of flat panel display that uses the properties of liquid crystals to display images. Liquid crystals are materials that can flow like liquids, but also have some degree of alignment like crystals. When an electric current is applied to them, their molecular orientation changes, and this can be used to manipulate the amount of light passing through the display. LCDs are widely used in electronic devices such as televisions, computer monitors, smartphones, and digital cameras, due to their low power consumption, slim profile, and high image quality.